A new study about fruits and vegetables may change what we say about apples. Turns out an apple a day can keep that spare tire away. I'm Montalbano for Buzz60. Harvard researchers followed more than 100,000 people for 24 years, checking in with them every few years to see what they're eating and how much weight they've put on. They specifically focused on fruits and vegetables to see if it really matters which produce we choose. And it seems not all plants were created equal. Overall, one extra serving led to smaller weight gains, but people who ate apples, pears, and berries reported less weight gain than other fruits. On the veggie side, soy and tofu led to the least weight gains. I don't know if that makes tofu any more appealing though. And now for the veggies that don't deserve to be lumped in with the others. People who ate cabbage, potatoes, peas, and corn reported the most weight gain. That doesn't even take into account fries or chips. Has the baked potato been deceiving us all this time? Or is it that we're eating it with butter and sour cream, or loading it up with cheese and bacon? Buzz60, now you know, pass it on.